Hi,
Yes,
Ritika.
sir.
How are you today?
I'm good, sir. And how are you?
I'm doing very well, Ritika. So, has it been a nice day today?
Yes, it was a nice day. Today is Sunday, so holiday.
Yes. What did you do so far?
So far, first in the morning I got up late today because today
Okay.
is Sunday,
Yeah.
and then after that I was getting ready. Then I was reading a book, and then I said I have class. So I was studying about the topic.
Okay.
And
Very good.
what were you doing?
Oh, I had number of sessions. I was I was teaching English. So today is my sixth. This is my sixth lesson to you.
Oh.
Lesson. Yeah. Okay. So, Ritika, did you have a chance to take a look at today's session material?
Yes, sir.
It's on superheroes. Do you like this topic?
Yes, sir. I like this topic, but I don't have any favorite superheroes.
Okay, you don't have?
But I like. So Krishna is also like a superhero because he has so many powers.
Yeah. Oh, Krishna, you're talking about?
And sir, which is your favorite superhero?
Mine is Superman.
Superman.
Yeah.
I like him.
So Krishna is your favorite superhero?
Yes, sir. He is my favorite superhero.
Okay, so do you watch any program on Krishna?
Yes, there are some English stories about Krishna. So I like watching him his video, and my sister also like watching, but mostly she doesn't like watching Krishna. She like Ganesh.
Okay, you said that she liked Ganesh, right? So
Likes.
she likes Ganesh. Perfect. Perfect. And where do you watch Krishna? Do you watch Krishna on TV or where do you watch Krishna?
Sir, I don't have a TV. I have mobile and a laptop. But my laptop is my father used a laptop. He never let me touch the laptop. So I usually watch with the mobile.
Okay, you watch with the mobile, you said?
Yes.
Okay, so you don't watch with the mobile, Ritika, you watch on the mobile. Okay.
I watch on the mobile.
Yeah, you watch on the mobile. Okay. So how do you watch on the mobile? I don't have any knowledge about this actually. How do you watch Krishna on the mobile?
It doesn't have a big screen, so we both fight together. We say, no, I will hold the mobile. No, we both fight and say, I will hold the mobile. And my father say, oh, don't fight, you can take another mobile. He gave his mobile to my sister, and I was with another mobile, with my mother's mobile.
Okay. So you don't have a TV at home?
No, I don't have a TV, but when my father has done working with his on the laptops, so what will he say? He will say, I'm going out, you can watch some stories. So I and my sister don't fight because laptop has a big screen, so we both fight for something. We say, I want to sit first. We both say. So my mother always say, sit back. No one will sit first. Your younger sister will sit first. So we both fight. Then my sister become happy and she say, I'm getting to sit first and you are getting to sit last.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, do you have TV or what do you watch superheroes? So you like superhero? So with the mobile you watch, laptop or TV?
Actually, I watched the movie Superman, but I watched it in the cinema hall.
Oh, you usually like You like to go to the cinema?
I don't go very often, but this is a very old movie. Superman is a very, very old movie. And I saw this in the cinema hall.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So Ritika, what do you mean by the word superpower? Can you tell me what does superpower mean?
Superpower is just like magic. I like magic, but I don't know how. The humans don't know how to do magic, but only gods and witch, like, they know how to do magic. It's very fun to play with magic. You can turn someone into a frog.
Okay, so does Krishna do a lot of magic?
No, he doesn't do magic. He uses hand instead of magic.
He uses his hand?
Yes, he doesn't. He don't use magic because if he
Okay,
thinks,
one sec. Okay, sorry. Ritika, you said he don't use magic, right? So you say he doesn't use magic. Perfect.
he doesn't use magic because
Okay.
if someone saw him, so they will say, you are not a human, you are a god. So he never do magic. He doesn't use magic.
Okay. You said if someone saw him, then they will say you are a god. Okay. So what do you like about Krishna?
About Krishna, I like him because he's a very naughty god. When he was young, he was so cute. He used to eat makhan.
Yes.
But my sister say,
What do you say? He used to eat makhan and then?
And he was very naughty and he used to go to others' house.
Others' houses. He used to go to other people's houses.
Other people's houses.
Yes. And then what did he do?
He used to steal.
He used to steal.
He used to steal butter.
Butter, yeah. Okay. And then?
My sister and I always fight together. We say, no, she said to me one day, Ganesha is more cute than Krishna. I said, no, Krishna is more cute, but both are cute.
Both are cute?
Yes, both are cute.
Okay. All right. So then, doesn't Krishna's mother get angry with him?
One day he was angry.
Yeah.
Because Krishna broke while he was making butter. He said he said, Mother, I need butter. But then he was angry. She said, no, you can't have butter. You always steal others' butter.
Yes.
Then he broke the pot with a stick. So she was so angry. Then she was saying, why did you do that? Then she was so tired of running that then Krishna stopped. While she was tying the rope was not it was not long. Then Krishna said, Mother, I can do it. So he did. He tied the knot. And then she said, oh, wow, how did you did this?
How did you do this?
How did you do this?
Yes. Okay. So what superpowers does he have, Krishna? What can he do that you can't do?
He has many superpowers.
Okay.
There are so many demons.
There's so many demons?
Yes, demons.
Okay. And then what does he do?
He fight with them. What
he fights with them.
He fights with them and they all die.
Okay.
I can't do that.
Okay. And what other superpowers does he have?
Yes,
Or
many.
what superpowers did he have?
Making one day when his father was praying to the god of Indra. I don't know which god was.
Indra, okay.
Then Krishna said, why do we pray to him? If we need rain, go over the hill. He said that.
Hmm.
Then the god of Indra was so angry. He said, why is this happening? Why are they not praying to me?
Yeah.
They must pray to me instead of praying the mountain.
Yeah.
Then what happened? He was holding the mountain. And then Radha, I like Radha. She said, oh, someone help him to hold. So other villagers bring the stick. They brought some sticks.
Yeah.
And they were helping Krishna.
Yeah.
And then he did. Then after the storm, he made everything. The trees fall down on the ground. So they automatically, when I don't know what he did, like this, then automatically the village was looking beautiful. Then he can do that.
Did you see when he was holding the mountain on his finger? Did you see that?
Like this.
Yes. Yes.
And sir, what can your superhero do?
Oh, my superhero, Superman.
Yes.
Okay. What he does is that he can fly.
Only flying. I have seen. Seen his stories.
Yeah, he can fly, and he can. He's very powerful. He's very, very strong.
I know that.
Yeah. And he uses his powers to help people. He flies around all around the world. He flies and he helps people. Have you seen the movie Superman?
Not movie. I don't like.
You don't watch movies? Okay. Okay. And tell me about Ganesh. Have you seen Ganesh? Your sister watches Ganesh, right?
Yes, but why? Whenever I'm watching Krishna in the mobile,
yeah,
she will come and take the mobile.
Okay.
Snatch it from me and she will put Ganesha story.
Okay, so have you watched Ganesha also with your sister?
Yes, sometimes I do watch.
Okay, so do you like Ganesha also?
Little, but I like his festival, Ganesh Chaturthi. We make laddus and I like eating.
Okay. Okay, so does Ganesha also have superpowers?
Yes, he has.
What superpowers does he have?
When Parvati Mata made him, so what? She gave him so many powers.
Powers.
And then God Bholenath came and he said, I want to meet my wife. So he said, no, you can't. So then they both were fighting. No one can fight with Lord Shiva because he's the very strongest God.
Yes.
And everyone had to listen to him.
Yes.
So he didn't did anything. He was just fighting.
Yes. And then what happened?
At that time, the Bholenath was so angry that other gods came. So then he calmed down and then he went to his place. Then again he came and then he took his stick and then threw it at him.
And then what happened?
Hello, sir?
Yes. Can you hear me? Yeah, he threw his stick and then what happened to the come?
Then Parvati Mata said, Oh no, what is that noise? She came there and saw. Then she started crying. She was saying, "What have you done? What have you done?" She was saying. Then
Okay.
Bholinath said, "Oh no, sorry." And he called his servants, and asked him to find a face. But they must not harm others. So they agreed, and they were looking. Then they saw an elephant,
Yes.
and then they cut his head, and another head appeared.
Okay.
So they came back and gave the hat to Bholinath. So Bholinath said, "Oh, what is this?" Then he said, "Okay." He didn't say anything. He put the hat near Ganesha and he used his power. Then he had a elephant's face.
Okay.
And the naughtiest thing he do, if his mother
Not
and
one second. The naughty. What do you say? The naughtiest.
he is
No.
a naughty god. He's a
Okay.
notorious.
Yeah. Who is a naughty god? Ganesha or Lord Shiva?
No, Lord Shiva. How can he be not notorious?